you would agree with this, but I'll throw it out. It seems like the fashion world is getting, braver? A little more bold. The don'ts often become the do's, and the rules seem to bend until they break. Well, today we are waving goodbye to some of the rules you think you know and saying hello to a viral sensation. Style editor Daylan Dove is here to introduce us to the wrong shoe theory. Just the name of it doesn't invoke confidence.
The name when it came out of your mouth was like, what are we doing here?
Well, you should have seen my face when I read it last night, going over the pre-show notes. The wrong shoe theory?
Okay, so listen, it sounds so wrong, it feels so right. It feels so right, and I know I'm the most dramatic person. This is so fun. When I first saw it, I was like, this person's crazy.
Yeah.
We're not doing this. After I paired it with a few things, this is gonna be it. We're doing it.
Really?
You're doing it, I'm doing it. This is 4 easy ways. This theory essentially says you're going to pick an entire outfit except for your shoes.
Okay.
And then you're going to pick a shoe opposite of what you would pick.
Oh boy.
So what it does, the theory essentially is saying you're re-wearing all your clothes in new ways, so it makes the outfit fun, interesting, and unlike anyone else's.
With just the switch of a shoe.
Just the switch of a shoe. So it's an easy, affordable, you can shop your closet if you want, switch that makes things all new.
Well, 2 things. We love a good style challenge, and I think most creatively minded women appreciate that. Like, I'm gonna try. I'm just gonna try. Also, when you think of the outfits you pause to admire on another woman, there's usually something just off about it, enough that it does stop you, and it does get noticed.
You almost think, I don't know if I could pull that off. Yeah. You can. I'm telling you right now. You can do it.
Listen, I don't know if you noticed, but this self-identified drama queen, both of her fingers were out right there. So this is like a legit claim.
Yes.
Okay, so you've got 4 ways we can do this.
4 ways to do it.
Okay.
This first one I think is really easy. We all have a dress. We all have some tennis shoes.
Daylan walked in on me in the dressing room this morning, and I was wearing my mom clothes, and it happened to be this uniform.
A dress and some tennis shoes. I said, are you wearing that today? She said no. I said, well, you can.
Dress and tennies.
And here's why. It's formally casual. So this dress, I wear it to church. I wear it out with girlfriends. I've never worn it with tennis shoes in my entire life. Here's why I love this. I pulled some easy color palettes from this dress and paired it with the shoe. The shoe doesn't have to be the wrong color palette. It doesn't have to be.
It's not goofy.
It's not goofy in a sense. It still can be curated. It's just the exact opposite of what you'd normally pair with this dress.
It's a different genre.
So automatically makes this outfit cool, because it's not what you usually would do, and it makes people think, wow, she can pull that off.
Okay, now I wouldn't wear this to church per se, but then the point becomes the dress can go to the park, or the dress can go to Target.
The dress just got more use out of this one dress because you're changing the shoe.
Okay, formally casual.
Formally casual.
That is one application of the wrong shoe theory. What is application number 2?
Next one, stick with me, Brooke. Stick with me. We're gonna get a little crazy. The track pant is everywhere.
Yes.
So we said we can wear sweats with sets. You can wear sweats just on their own now. Now they're chic. Now they're chic because this track pant, it's an Adidas track pant. We are actually going to pair this track pant, quote unquote sweats, with a heel. Now, the reason that I think this works is because of the funkiness of it, right? So it's just a plain white tee. Everything is oversized a little bit, but then you're adding a fun pop of jewelry to tie in the shoe, and then a complete opposite. It's almost a color block of this outfit. Yeah. So this takes your track pant from carpool pickup to dinner, lunch, anything with the girls.
I was gonna say, this would be destination dependent, meaning I wouldn't wear a tracksuit and heels to Target, I'll use that example again, but I might to dinner out. Right. And suddenly those pants are appropriate because of the shoe.
Yes, it's almost a day to night in just a swap of the shoe because you can.
Okay, that's sporty chic. Next, teach us about the art of baggy delicates. I can't even believe we put those words together.
Baggy is everywhere. Yeah. That is the new, baggy, skinny jeans are out, baggy is in. So what I did is I paired a really wide leg baggy cargo pant. Yes. And then a baggier top. You can tuck, you can untuck, whatever you feel most comfortable with. And then I paired it with a heel.
With a heel.
With a really sleek, so baggy becomes delicate because you're adding a point toe delicate heel. I would love this with a sling back.
Sure.
You honestly could even do a ballet flat if it felt right with the outfit. I did tie in the black a little bit more for everybody with a headband to kind of help tie everything together. But this baggy all the way down to this pointed toe, it actually is really sleek because it elongates your leg.
Okay, I'm talking the talk, but I'm feeling a little squirmish inside. But
it's gonna be great.
I have a theory, but I'll share it at the end. Are you ready? I've been formulating a theory.
I love when you
Based
theorize.
on something you already said. Okay, final application?
I think everybody has a pair of denim shorts.
Yeah.
But we all wear it with sandals, we all wear it with sneakers, right? They're kind of that casual. We're gonna dress up the denim. We're gonna add denim shorts, a little bit more of a, I would say a dressier top just because it's a button down, but it's still very casual in summer vibes.
Comfortable.
I want you to pair it with a ballet flat.
With a ballet.
It automatically makes things a little bit more polished just because of what the ballet flat represents.
Okay.
But if you want to get crazy, you could do a heel with this and dress it up that way, but add some earrings, play around with it. This outfit is on its own, pretty casual. Adding this shoe just pushes it up a small bit.
It's cute. Elevates the outfit, and like you pointed out, allows us to wear our clothes in a more versatile fashion. Here's my theory.
I'm ready.
I think you should probably first, I'm going to probably first picture this on a stylish girl. I'm going to picture this on you.
Okay, thank you.
And I'm going to think, if I saw Daylan wearing this, I would think she looks darling. So I'm just going to pretend, borrow that edge just for a minute.
You can do it. You love a bold shoe.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do it.
All right, love it. Thank you so much. The wrong shoe theory. You heard about it, you learned about it here on Studio 5. If you want to review Daylan's definition, also her application of the wrong shoe theory, you can go to our website, studio5.ksl.com. We'll post the pictures, the outfits, the fits, and you can use those as inspiration to step up your own style.